Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the best tip for something called Tinea Versicolor. Okay, this is a type of fungus that grows in the skin, and it creates these little white, lighter spots on the chest and the back because this fungus releases an acid that interferes with melatonin, which normally controls the pigment. If you get it, you're going to have an 80% chance of getting it again, because what normally happens, there's a friendly yeast that lives around your body, okay? And it's part of it's called the natural flora, or the microbes, or the friendly bacterial yeast layer that lives on the skin, that then will be converted into a fungus when the environment changes, because you took an antibiotic, or maybe you took some medication, or you're eating junk food, or you're eating a lot of sugar, and then all of a sudden it shifts over into this fungus, okay? So if that happens, there's kind of a concoction you can make and rub it on the skin that can really help you. And this is good temporarily, but really you want to build up the inside of the body. This symptom is the tip of the iceberg. And the real problem is internal, in your gut and your digestive tract. So you really need to start eating healthy and make sure at all costs don't get another antibiotic, because that just makes things worse. So here's what you do. You take 3 drops of oregano oil, 3 drops of grapefruit seed extract, okay? This is a fluid, this is an oil, and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 3 drops of apple cider vinegar. Mix it up really good and rub it into the skin. So that would actually target the unfriendly fungus, but not attack the friendly microbes that you have in your body, all right? So go ahead and check it out, and don't forget to start cleaning up your diet and making sure that you support your digestive system. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're interested in finding out the underlying cause of your body issues, click the link below and take the evaluation quiz.